Hello, welcome to your phonics lesson today. As always, let's start by going over some sounds that we know. So look inside our star. Let's say the sound. Can you say it? Can you say it? T, s, k, g, a, e, oo, p, f, a, d, o, I, n, h, j, a, k, b, o. That was our sound last week. Our sound this week is I. Look closely here. I. These two letters together make the sound I. I and E together, I and E together say I. Can you say it for me? I. Let's look down here, our action. We're going to stand up and salute. So you're going to put your hand in a straight line at your forehead. Can you practice for me? Saying aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye. Well done. Let's listen to our song.
The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye, aye.
Did you do your action for aye, aye? Do it one more time for me. Aye, aye. Now let's listen to our jingle.
When the captain walks across the deck, instead of saying hi, sailors all stand up tall, sailors all stand up tall, the sailors all stand up tall, salute and say aye, aye.
Well done. Our sound is I. Now, we're about to listen to our story. So, remember, when listening to the story, listen very carefully for your sound, for your phonic, I. Each time you hear it, I want you to put both hands up in the air so I know you've heard it and I know that you're doing your best listening. Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Clive has been invited to a party. His dad is a sailor in the Navy and has given Clive a hat from his ship. Clive wants to dress up as a sailor like his dad and wear the hat to the party. His mother makes him a sailor's outfit. Just before the party, Clive's dad comes home on leave. Clive insists on wearing his new outfit to meet him off the ship. He waves and waves when he sees his dad and runs up and gives him a big hug. Dad admires his outfit and says, "If you are a sailor, you will have to learn how to salute and say, aye, aye." When they get home, he shows Clive how to salute. Clive has a go in front of the mirror, saluting and saying, aye, aye.
Did you hear the I sound in that? I wonder if you wanted to go back another time and listen to this lesson, if you could count how many times you heard I in that story. That could be a nice little challenge for you. Let's look at how we write I. Go down, flick, around, up, curl around, and a dot over the I. We made I. If you want to pause this video here and use your finger to trace it, you can do that now. If you want to get a whiteboard and a marker and practice, you can do that too. Practice your sound I. What sound is it? I. Well done. Let's look at the pictures we see in front of us. We see 5 pictures. We're going to try and make the words. So, look at the first one. What do you see? You see a train. We see a t, a, train. You see it? Look at this one. What is it? It is a pie. I. What's the first sound you hear in pie? Oh, I did a very long p there. P, I. So right now we have the A digraph and the I digraph. This is our sound today. I. Look over here. What is this? It is toast. T, O. What 2 letters together make the O sound? Do you remember? These 2. Toast. Toast. Can you see that? What is this? It's a goat. Did you guess that? Goat. G, O, T. Goat. Our O digraph, our O digraph, our I digraph, and our A digraph. What's this? What's coming out of the cloud? Rain. A. Rain. Can you see that? Well done. Now, in this part of the lesson, we're going to do some blending. Let's look at the word we see here. What word do you see? We see I, die. I, die. Let's try the next one. Flies. 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 Can you see it? Let's look at this one. I, lie. Lie. Let's erase this and see what other one we have. What about this one? Try this by yourself. D-I-D. D-eyed. Died. Well done. You rub out our lines. Next one. Can you try it? Fried. Fried. Did you get that? And another one, a nice long word. Look at this one. Magpie. 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 The black and white birds we see. Magpie. Try this one. Eyes. Cries. By now, we are getting used to the fact that these 2 letters together make the I sound, don't they? They make the I sound. Now, okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay, let's go through some flashcards of our sounds again. Ready? Say the sound. I'm not going to help this time. Say the sound. Well done. Let's look at the words with the I sound we see here. We see pie, we see lie, and we see tie. Tie, lie, and pie. Now, let's finish our lesson listening to our song again. Do your action.